One.
Hello.
Hello.
Today we are doing something like Lego.
Yeah.
Here, this is the map.
Ta-da.
Tali hit the map.
Ta-da.
Anyway, top the map. Look at the pieces. So many.
Ta-da.
So many. And I have an introducer. That we built today.
Okay.
This is the introducer. This is the police. This is the police tank truck, not tank. But actually, tomorrow we're gonna build the trailer. So tank truck, not tank. But actually, tomorrow we're gonna build the trailer. So the trailer. Look, this is the trailer.
Okay.
So we don't have it because we are tired of building.
Tomorrow.
That is I the one who built all this all by my own.
Okay. So cool.
So we have some one more that been Lego. We have some more Lego and some more bigger stuff Lego.
Show me. Ta-da. Dun.
No, you're gonna not show it yet. You're gonna not show it yet, man.
Dun.
Man, not I said not yet. I said not yet, man. Come on. Stop. Can you wait? Man, can you wait? This is the Lego.
Wow. Ta-da.
This is a tank. This is a tank.
Turn around, please.
Here.
Wow. The side view is so cool. Back view is so cool too. Wow.
So the tank have stickers, but I don't even. But this one I don't even see stickers yet. So we have no stickers on this, but we have stickers on this.
Okay.
So this is the accidental sticker. So I didn't follow the route. So it actually need to be like here, but I messed it up.
You do it by yourself, right?
Yes. What do you mean? It big. Do you know that I built it just one day?
Oh, anyone help you?
Help me. Just give me the material. Just buy the material for me. Include you.
Okay.
Look, it has so many guns.
Good job.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Ah.
Look, so we gonna battle.
Dun.
He's so strong. Hey, why you are so strong? You break my gun.
Yeah. Shoot him.
Oh no, you break my gun. Oh no, I have nothing left. At least I have my back. Come on, you back. Oh no, it does no damage.
Oh, your gun is damaged now.
Oh no, I have nothing left. I'm gonna run away for now. That's what you deserve.
Yay.
So this, I won't leave it here though. I'm gonna build it back. So I'm a very good builder of this. Understand? Look, when I build a gun, I'm so trying to be done. Understand? That look at the front, so cool, right?
Yeah.
Look at the back, so browny and so strong and have this. I don't know what it's called in English, but I want to speak Thai in this video. Oh no, I accidentally say that. Never mind though. So this is stronger. So I always see this gun always weak every time I play and crash it. It's not really. I just didn't crash anything and it just failed because this gun is so weak. So if anyone buy this tank over here, it's a little bit bad because I didn't follow the rule. So this is not the Lego he with the test. So you see it white. It's not from the test. It's from mine.
Okay.
So I can't see it another one. So we're gonna replace it with this. So anyone buy it and we don't have the start here. It need to be right here and so I don't have it because I didn't. It's all my fault. I didn't. But I make the. But I didn't make the big bomb. I make two. But the second one I shouldn't shoot the tank that have the door. So it's all my fault.
No problem. Never mind.
Don't much disappear in Lego. So someone buying it, don't make a mistake like I do.
Okay.
So actually I forgot to tell you, this is Jitaku channel.
Okay. See you.
And I think you wait. Hey, actually we are almost in season 3.
Okay.
Still in season 3. The season 3 we are outside the home. We are not inside the home when season 3.
Go outside.
So check out the video.
Yeah.
That 2 video.
Looking forward to see your new video. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye. Click like, click subscribe, click bell to watch new video on Titiku channel.